Welcome to Vet Fraternity. In this video, we are going to talk about subconjunctival hemorrhage. Basically, it is the hemorrhage that happens inside the eye under the conjunctiva, and it arises from trauma or blood dyscrasia, von Willebrand factor deficiency, and certain infectious diseases. Basically, these are the causes for this hemorrhage. One Willebrand factor, we will talk about it in detail when we will study cardiovascular system. But for now, you can just remember that it is a protein that is involved in the clotting of the blood. When it's deficiency or when there is any trauma, infectious disease, or blood dyscrasia, subconjunctival hemorrhage can happen in the eye. It does not require therapy, but close inspection is warranted to determine whether or more important intraocular alterations have occurred. So, this is something that you need not to be worried about, like regarding treatment. You just have to keep monitoring the eye, and it will resolve on its own. And if something more severe starts to happen, then you need to reevaluate the eye and do as follows. You can see this image, this redness, this whole redness is the hemorrhage under hemorrhage in the eye, and this is subconjunctival hemorrhage. That was it. Thank you so much.